This is a pre-owned 2017 Chevrolet Camaro SS. This two-door convertible has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Chevrolet is a great value with less than 14,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, and window defogger.